What's up everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J here with a video using the new Coloured Raine Vivid eyeshadows. I actually ordered these a while ago when they were on pre-sale and I got them and I never played with them. So I was like, today is the day because I'm feeling some color before we jump into fall. And I decided I wanted to play with them today because I was feeling color. Like I felt colorful, I feel vibrant. Today is kind of gloomy, so this color is gonna pick me up. So I have all of the eyeshadows that this line offers. I bought it as a bundle for $55 and I also was able to use a code. So if you are unable to get the bundle or if you don't want all of the colors, you are able to buy these individually. They price at $6.99 each, so it's just a better value to go ahead and get the bundle if you're interested in a ton of these colors. They also have a case, which I opted out from buying the case, but now I kind of regret it, so I probably am going to pick that up in the future. But the description on their website says that this is a colorful range of pigments and shadows featuring vibrant, long-lasting, and blendable colors that glide on like butter with various finishes. So let me go ahead and read them off one by one. We have the color Bossed Up. It is described as a true magenta. I have the color Crushing, and it is described as a salmon. Here is Cute, and it is described as a lavender purple. Drip Drop, it is described as an aqua blue. Jet Set, True Periwinkle. Lemon Drop, a matte yellow. Level Up, Level Up, Level Up. A matte green. Neo Blue. A matte royal blue. Party Drip. A matte neon pink. Perp Smurf, a matte deep purple. Sauce or Sauce, a matte blue based red. Splash, a matte neon orange. Quad, a matte hunter green. Unbothered, a dusty rose salmon. Vibes, a magenta purple. Yacht Life, a navy blue. Even though they said that these are all different finishes, they were all described as matte. I'm going to go ahead and jump into the eyeshadow demonstration. I use a good bit of these eyeshadows. I will keep using them in the future because they're so beautiful and create different looks. So enjoy. So I'm going to start off with the color Lemon Drop and the Wayne Goss Dior 3 brush. I'm going to take this color in my crease. Oh wow. This will be my transition color. It's already really pigmented. Ooh. I'm just taking this color back and forth. You really don't need a lot of it because this is extremely pigmented. Same brush, and I'm going to take the color Splash, moving right down from the yellow. I'm going to apply this directly in the crease. Back and forth. And it's already beginning to look like a little sunset. Last time, same brush, and I'm going to take the color Perp Smurf. I cannot get over how pigmented these are, so make sure to tap off your brush, and I'm going to tap this on my outer corner on the lid and bring it over. So I'm going to build this color up carefully and blend it. So I blended that color out and I went ahead and added a few more like little steps to my makeup. And now I'm going to go in with the color Crushing and a flat shader brush. This is a Huda AF5 brush. With this brush, I'm going to pat this on my lid. Using small packing motions, I'm going to blend it next to that purple. And basically use packing motions to build this color up. All across the lid except this area. So for my inner tear ducts color, I don't want to put one of these colors. I am going to put my highlight that I have here. This is the Give Me Glow Highlights in Halo. Then I'm going to take a Wayne Goss 07 detailer brush and go back with the color Lemon Drop. Apply that along the lower lash line, connect it to that highlight color. I'm not going to take it all the way over. And lastly, I'm going to go back with Perp Smurf and the same brush and connect it to the top. I love the way that this looks so far. Now I'm going to go ahead and add liner, mascara, and lashes and finishing touches to my makeup, and I will be right back. So here's the final look. I love it. It's so vibrant and beautiful. I love these eyeshadows. They're very vibrant. They're easy to use for them to be as colorful as they are. And these are some of the best colorful eyeshadows that I have ever had the pleasure of using. Undoubtedly, these are my favorites in my collection. They're very creamy. They're very pigmented. They blend easy. They're not chalky. And I love them. I think that you should definitely check them out. Coloured Raine did their thing with these eyeshadows. Like I said, I got mine in a bundle. Let me know if you guys have ever tried anything from Coloured Raine Cosmetics before. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, and also give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will talk to you guys in my very next video. Smooches. Bye.